Hello guys, welcome back. Here I'm back with another interview question. So in interview they could ask you explain the types of join available in Hana. So here I'm going to explain about all the joins available in Hana. So first join is a inner join. Most of people knows left outer join, right outer join, referential join, and take join and temporal join. So one by one I will explain the joins in little bit detail manner. So first is the inner join. When we are using inner join, we are joining two tables. So in inner join, whenever we use this, then it will gives us a data from both table if the condition matches. So that condition could be document number, item number, anything. If condition matches, it will gives you data from both table. So you can select any column from uh, both tables. Second join is a left outer join. So as name suggests, left outer join. So what it will gives, if condition is matching, then it will gives us a data from left table as well as right table. But if condition is not matching, if condition is matching, then it will gives data from left table as well as right table, and it will also gives you data from left table which is not matching. Okay. In right neck join is a right outer join. So it is also same like left outer join, only we will have to reverse the scenario. In both table, if condition is matching, it will gives us a data from the both table, and also gives us a data from right table which is not matching. Now neck join is a referential join. For most of the people, the join could be a new join. So referential, basically use of referential join is that if you want to verify the referential integrity between two tables. Referential integrity means like data should be present in a both tables. Let's take an example of purchasing. Purchasing has two kind of data: header level data as well as item level data. If any purchase happens, then data will also present in header as well as item level. So this shows that the referential integrity is present between those two table. So how it works? So if this referential join will give you data only if the data is available in both table, left table as well as right table. Also, so when we are talking about the referential join, then this join uses OLAP engine. Okay, so let me explain a little bit about the engine. When analytical view is performing join, then that join is performing join engine. When attribute is performing join, then that join uses OLAP engine. And for calculation view join uses calculation engine. So here we can say if referential join is only detected by OLAP engine, then there will not be meaning to use this referential join in calculation engine, because calculation view, because calculation view uses calculation engine. So referential join will not going to be detected by calculation engine. That's why we cannot use referential join in calculation engine. Yeah, we can use referential join in analytical view, because analytical view uses OLAP engine. Next one is a take join. So take join basically uses to join the different types of text table. So let's take an example. In SAP we as in SAP, as we already know, we are maintaining data in different language. That is called as a language dependent data, and that data is maintained in a text table. So suppose if you want to fulfill a requirement that user could be logging into the different types of language: German, French, English. So suppose one user is logging into the German language, then user should have to see the data in German language. For this purpose, we are using take join. So what basically take join works like a left outer join. So your left table will be your fact table or dimension table. You will going to join that left table with the right table should be a text table in which data will be maintained in a different language. So when user is login into their respective language, like consider German language, then on left table, on right table, it will filter out all the data for German language, and then it will perform join and will show the output in a German language. Hope you clear about the take join. Now temporal join. So temporal join introduced to to verify the validity of the user or anything. It could be a transaction date. So what we are doing when we are using temporal join, suppose on left table we are having one column transaction date. We want to validate that transaction with date is valid or not. Then on in right table we will be having data, time dependent data. So time dependent data always maintains in fashion that there will be the two column. One column is from date, another column will be a to date. So while when this join during whenever this join is performing, then it will check the validity of the that data. So right now consider on your left table you are having transaction date, on right table you are having that time dependent data. It will going to check whether that transaction date is greater than from date and less than to date, then it will give us a result. Thank you guys, this is all about the types of join in Hana. Hope you like this video, you got knowledge about the joins. If you like this video, please hit like button and subscribe to my channel.